What's your favorite horror genre?
Mystery. Like when you don't know, is it a ghost? Is it a monster? What is it?
What's your favorite decade?
The 70s.
Why?
Because you have all of the good shit there. Carrie, Halloween, Texas Chainsaw.
Yeah, you name it.
What's your favorite franchise?
It's between Evil Dead and Texas, but I choose Texas.
What's your favorite cinematography style?
When it's dirty, sweaty, misery, I don't know where to go, scary shit.
What's your least favorite?
I don't have a least favorite, actually.
Which one would you choose if you just could recommend one movie, and why?
Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the first one.
Why?
Because that's what started the whole splatter thing, and it's so damn good. Scary, disgusting, dirty and sweaty.
So you like it dirty and sweaty. Heh. Why?